if the documentation is there and it is up to date, that's the point of it. You can leverage that learning from your other teammates, some historical information there, and be able to navigate the code base based on what that documentation is suggesting. It might be the thing that's pointing out the critical areas of the core functionality, giving you some history about why things are a certain way. So a lot of that insight can be beneficial from documentation. I highly recommend that even without that, you start taking your own notes about what you're learning and exploring, draw out pictures, like get a view like that from your perspective about how the system works and the different components that you're reading about. Draw that all out and take all your notes. In fact, this is going to be extra helpful for one of the tips that's coming up. And if that documentation isn't there and you are taking notes and you are drawing out some diagrams, you could be the person that goes and creates that documentation to help out the next person. Or if that documentation is there but it's kind of crappy or out of date, you can go update it. You're helping out the next people to go through this, and you're also re-solidifying your understanding of the code base by taking those notes, drawing those diagrams, and finding a way to explain that in documentation. Tip number 2 is all about getting our hands dirty.